The E1 grinder pump. The driving force behind the best low-pressure sewer systems worldwide. When hilly terrain or difficult soil conditions make gravity sewer systems cost prohibitive, E1 sewers solve the problem and save money. For superb design, high reliability, and low maintenance costs, rely on the system engineered to do one job perfectly. From Environment One Corporation. All across America's backyards, aging septic tanks are ticking away and systematically exploding the quality of life and public safety as they fail. When a New York State lake community decided to convert their wastewater system from overburdened individual septic tanks, they faced several problems. Due to uneven terrain, the cost of a conventional gravity sewer system was prohibitive. Homeowners also didn't want to destroy the natural beauty of the lakeside setting with the extensive excavation and piping needed for a gravity sewer system. This housing development faced serious problems with the proposed sewer system. Soil conditions ruled out septic systems, while the steep and rocky terrain pushed the cost of gravity sewers to unacceptable levels. In these cases, and hundreds of others, one company was selected to solve the sewer problems with an innovative, cost-effective, and practical system. Environment One Corporation was formed in 1968 by a group of former senior employees of General Electric's Corporate Research and Development Center. Based on the theoretical work of Harvard professor Gordon M. Fair, Environment One designed, built, and tested the grinder pumps uniquely suited for low-pressure sewer systems. Conventional gravity sewer systems are not cost-effective under all conditions. When confronted with hilly terrain, a gravity system must rely on a large graded pipeline to create the gravity flow of wastewater to a treatment facility. Deep trenches and lift stations may be required to maintain the gravity flow. A low-pressure sewer system does not rely on gravity. A pressure pipeline is laid at a shallow depth, parallel to the surface, using a small diameter pipe. The expense and disruption caused by deeply trenched, large gravity feed pipelines are eliminated. Environment One sewer systems employ grinder pumps to condition sewage and move it through small diameter pipes. 1 1/4 inch service laterals feed street mains, which are typically 2 to 4 inches in diameter. Gravity sewers normally use 4-inch service laterals and 6 to 24-inch diameter mains. Installation costs for the low-pressure systems are often much lower than conventional gravity systems. Lower upfront costs have convinced many large-scale developers to use low-pressure systems even when gravity systems are feasible. Many resort or new home developers find that grinder pumps can be very cost-effective. Extensive earth removal is not required, reducing installation costs and maintaining the integrity of the natural surroundings.
In conception of our development, we had a number of obstacles to confront. One was an extended distance to the main sewer system, which would have required a lift station using gravity feed. The other, the generic soil conditions were very difficult to deal with, being a high water table. We solved both of the situations using a grinder pump system. We experienced a very quick build-out along with some very good cost savings. The product has proven to be very reliable, and we plan on using it again in an up-and-coming project, which will be opening next year.
The Riverview Landing project was unique in that we had to provide on-site sewage disposal. There were no public sewers available. The terrain was such that several of the lots were lower than the only site that was available for disposal. There was high bedrock in the area. The lots were large, requiring extensive lengths of sewers to serve each lot. And those three factors combined to make a low-pressure sewer system the only economical and feasible way to go. And in doing so, we saved in excess of $100,000.
Infiltration of groundwater, a serious problem with conventional sewers, is eliminated with a low-pressure system. Lower total wastewater flow means lower treatment plant capital and operating costs.
Over the last 5 years, we've evaluated the cost that we've saved at the treatment plant and the expense we've saved at the treatment plant, and it appears that we've reduced the amount of flow to the plant by about 27 million gallons per year. That turns into $70,000 per year savings.
Environment One grinder pumps are the key components in the reliable and efficient E1 sewer. Years of experience under extreme operating conditions have led to many exclusive features of E1 sewers. The progressing cavity pump design assures constant flow over the entire operating range, or transporting it horizontally up to 2 miles. With its high-torque, low-speed motor, the grinder reduces solids to a size suitable for easy passage through small-diameter pipes with no jamming. Non-moving, non-fouling level sensors provide reliable automatic, maintenance-free operation. The 1-horsepower motor runs quieter, lasts longer, and uses less electric energy than higher horsepower motors. Environment One produces the only grinder pumps which are UL, NSF, and CSA listed, and 100% factory assembled and tested before being shipped. Attention to detail and strict quality control has produced a grinder pump able to survive each demanding application. From houseboats to mobile homes, marinas, light industrial and commercial sites, construction sites, remote military installations, and even Arctic communities all can benefit from an E1 sewer system at a reasonable cost. E1 sewer systems can be used in both large and small-scale applications. Single-family units can easily convert from a septic system to an E1 sewer, feeding an existing sewer or community on-site treatment, connecting anywhere from several home sites to suburban communities, connecting several thousand homes. Environment One grinder pumps are designed with the highest quality components to provide the best reliability record and provide the lowest operation and maintenance costs. E1 Sewer has set the industry standard for quality and experience. Superior engineering design, rigorous testing and quality control, plus extensive sales and service support have made Environment One Corporation the leader in grinder pump technology. For more information about the E1 Sewer and how we can assist with your application, contact your Environment One distributor. Rely on the system engineered to do one job perfectly. From Environment One Corporation.